everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Synchrony Bank how to find account number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find account number, what you need to do is check your card statement or welcome documents. Your account typically appears on the front or back of a physical card and also near the top right of your monthly billing statement. If you're mailed slip-in documents with your card, that packaging often lists the account number too. The next method is to head over and open up your Synchrony Bank app and be sure to be logged in to your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is you can view your account details by simply heading over and tapping on the account icon on the top right, and then once you tap on it, all you gotta do is tap on the account details, and in your account name below there you'll find the account number as well. If you forgot on your log credentials, use the forget username or password feature to recover them as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.